you're watching the TV constantly, the chapel chimney, to see what kind of smoke's going to come out. And we watched the black smoke, the black smoke, the black smoke. In the back of my mind, I was like, they're going to elect Rob. Well, he comes out and he goes, oh, we have a new pope, but his name is, and as soon as he went, Ro, I knew right away. He's going to say Robert France, and he go, Roberto Francisco. And mind exploded. Like I was in the bed, sitting down. It's a good thing I was, because I probably would have fallen over. It's like, oh my God, my brother's the Pope? You're kidding me. The emotions run from super excited to, on the other end, oh boy, my brother's the Pope. This could be bad, you know, for family. What, you know, will we ever see him again? Will we ever get to talk to him like brothers again, or will it have to be all official? And when we'd play games, you know, as kids, you know, you go out and play games. He liked to play priest a lot, which, what the heck, priest, really? We were teasing him when he was 6 years old. You're going to be the Pope, ha 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 ha. And he didn't like that, you know. I don't want to be the Pope. And a couple of neighbors would say, Bob, you're gonna grow up to be the Pope one day. Where do they get this stuff from? Who knew? If there just wasn't something about him that people could pick that up and go, you're going to be the Pope someday. And here we are. He's the Pope.